Hi, I'm at the Guildhall here in the City of London, and one of the messages I wanted to bring to you was to stay safe in business, and specifically with regard to dividends. If your business is running as a limited company and you are using dividends as a strategy to reduce tax, and you probably should, then you're probably going to want to make sure you follow all the rules to the letter. The reason for that is the Inland Revenue is getting more and more aggressive in its application of rules, and sometimes even rules that don't exist, to collect more tax. It has become unfashionable in the UK to save tax these days. Any government that says they want to increase the amount of tax by enforcing new rules or the existing rules will not get any negative feedback from Parliament or from anyone else. In fact, even the Inland Revenue will suggest things which no one will stand up in Parliament to argue with, because they do not want to be seen as a party that is in favour of tax avoidance, let alone tax evasion. Now, for dividends, the key things are you must have decent management accounts. If you don't have decent management accounts, you cannot possibly have a dividend, because there is no evidence of your business performance from which to draw the dividend decision. The second thing you must do is evaluate that profit, evaluate the coming months before your year end, and decide with some degree of certainty why you believe you can take out the dividend you wish. If you miss this point out, you could lose a huge amount of revenue, as the tax on salaries, which it might be deemed to be, could be twice as much as the tax on dividends. The third thing is, of course, the paperwork. If you don't get the paperwork right, you don't get all the documents signed at the right time in the right way, that could be deemed that you didn't follow the rules, and as a result you could be taxed on salaries. All of these are little roadblocks to stop you taking shortcuts. In the old days, if you took a shortcut, you'd probably get away with it. Nowadays, I wouldn't be willing to take the risk, and I don't think you should either. So let me ask you, are you following the rules? Have you got decent management accounts? Have you got a good knowledge of how your numbers are running, and are you putting all your paperwork in place to save the tax you deserve to save, you should save, if you're going to maintain your wealth, increase the amount of cash flow you've got in your business, and of course build the life of your dreams? If you have done that, great. If you're not sure, give us a quick call. We'll spend 5 minutes with you. We'll identify a quick checklist with you and identify for you what risks you're taking, so you can make the necessary amends for yourself based on your risk factors. I look forward to speaking to you soon. You take care of yourself, and of course don't forget, like it, link to it, share it, comment on it. All the best. Goodbye.